Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a soft glam holiday makeup tutorial for you guys on this beautiful glowy glossy makeup look that I'm wearing right now. I had so much fun creating this look and I've been on a soft glam kick lately. I'm not so big on the heavy glam, so if you're like me and you want something soft glam that's easy to do for the holidays, then make sure to keep on watching. Now before we jump into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright you guys, we're going to start with skin prep. I'm going in with the Skin Proud Sorbet Skin. I absolutely love this stuff. Next up, I want to prime and I'm going in with this e.l.f. primer. This is the Power Grip Primer. This is honestly such a good dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip. I want to go in with this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Mist. I absolutely love this stuff. It makes me feel so good. I feel like it adds nice glow and moisture to the face. I absolutely love it. Almost forgot to mention it has a beautiful watermelon scent, you guys. I'm obsessed. Next up, I want to hydrate the lips. I'm going in with the Laneige Sleeping Mask. I got a new one. This is the Gummy Bear flavor. I absolutely love it. It smells so good. Going in with the e.l.f. color corrector. This is the orange color corrector that helps with hyperpigmentation. So I'm just correcting my face with this. For foundation, I want to go in with this Merit complexion stick. This could be a concealer or foundation, whatever you want it to be. So I've been loving this as a base product. So this is in the shade Sand and this is the Minimalist product. Next up, I want to contour and I have a new contour product that I want to try out. This is the Mischo Beauty Contour Stick and I have the shade Medium, so let's try it out. So it comes in a nice stick form, so I'm just going to go directly in onto my face with this. Gonna go in with my brush. This is like an angled big face brush and I'm just going to blend this out. I actually really like that. This is more of like a cool toned contour. I usually go for more of like a warmer tone, but I'm honestly not hating it. I think it looks pretty good. It's super creamy and it's blending in effortlessly, so definitely a fan. For blush, I want to go in with the Merit blush in the shade Bespoke. This is part of their holiday collection. It's a mini flush balm. I absolutely love it. I did review the entire collection, so if you guys want to check out that video, I'll have it linked up here and also down below in the description box for you guys. I'm going to go directly onto the face with this as well, and then I will blend it out with my beauty sponge. I also like to go on to the product directly with my sponge and then apply it onto the face. Both methods work really well. I kind of just interchange between the two. For concealer, I'm going in with my favorite. This is the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer and I'm in the shade Custard. I'm just going to go back in with a little bit more contour on the nose and I'm going to blend that out before I set everything in place. To set my face, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Setting Powder and Pound Cake. I'm going to clean up the cheeks with the setting powder as well. Setting powder has been sitting for about a minute and I'm just going to wipe it away and use any excess product to just set the rest of my face. I want to go in with the Fenty Beauty Hustle Baby Highlight. I want to look really glowy today. Going in with my finger and I'm just adding some in the inner corners as well. I'm just going back in with a little bit more of the blush on my sponge just because I want a little bit more of a pop, and I want to add some on the nose as well. I'm gonna fill in my brows with the Benefit Gimme Brow, and I'm in the shade 4. For lips, I have a new lip product in my collection. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Contour in the shade Deep Taupe, so let's try it out. It's super pretty and nude. I actually really like that. I am gonna just fill in the lips a little bit with this. I want to add a gloss on top of the lips, so I have here the Huda Beauty Faux Filler in the shade Foxy. I am obsessed. I feel like this color matches so well with the cheeks. I want to go in with just a little bit of eyeshadow, nothing crazy. So I'm going to jump into the Berries and Cream Dreams Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. I did do, I think, a couple of videos with this. I'm not sure, but I'll have them linked up here and also down below. I think I'm going to go in with Muted Berry. My apologies, it's actually Muted Mulberry. And this is a beautiful color. I love Violet Voss. Their products are so good, super high quality, pigmented, easily blends out. Like, look how easily this is blending. I'm obsessed. I'm just dusting this color on the outer corners as well, and then just pulling it up onto the crease and diffusing that out. I'm gonna go in with the shade Berry Bright. I'm going in with my finger and I'm just gonna add this onto the lid. And then just going in with a clean brush, I'm going to brush out the edges just to make sure there's no harsh lines. And then just going in with the brush I used to apply the first shade, and I'm just gonna diffuse out the outer corners, make sure there's no harsh lines there either. And the very last thing I have to do is put on some mascara, and I'm going in with my favorite mascara by Too Faced. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's holiday soft glam makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm obsessed with the look. I love the cool tones on the eyes and the shimmer with the glossy glowy base. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already so you never miss out on my new videos. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!